Here we will be looking at how to create a template in AutoCAD. Now what will be the purpose of template? See, in this orthographic projection we have XY line, 2 offsets, X1 Y1 line or X dash Y dash line and 2 offsets, and along with that we have some layers also, na? And then this border is there which is of A3 size. So if I want to draw a next question, again I don't want to draw the border, those 6 lines and the layers. So for that I can save the file as a template. So what I will do, understand, see, suppose this is already drawing you have. So what I will do, I will delete everything over here with the help of right selection method, or you can say blue window method. So I will click over here, left click over here, I will leave the click and I will simply drag the mouse on this side. Here you can see everything is getting selected. Okay, and then on this side I will again left click. So everything is now selected except these 6 lines. Okay, and then press delete. Now some things might not get deleted, some things might not be delete. So again we will select it and delete it. Okay, once this is done, what I will do, I will go to this application menu, click here, click on save as, and here I will name this file as template, for example. And now see, this is what is the format given here, template.dwg. I don't want template.dwg, I want template.dwt. So first I need to select dwt. So here is that format, AutoCAD drawing template, AutoCAD drawing template.dwt. I'll select this. I will name this as, I will go to desktop, I will name this as template and save it. And here I will select save all layers as reconciled and click on OK. Update relative paths. Now see, suppose I here you can see it has been now saved as what, template.dwt. Now whenever I open AutoCAD, what I will do, new, instead of selecting directly clicking on new, I will browse that template which has saved on the desktop. Okay, or second method, directly I will go to desktop and I will open that template. This template I will open. Now what is the advantage of that template? Whenever I open the template, it becomes .dwg. Means if I draw anything and if I save, it will not be overwritten on this file. Are you understanding? If that is DWG file, then it will overwrite every time. Is it clear? So that is the advantage of template. So here you can see, when I'm bringing this template, I can get all the layers as it is, and I can see the border and these 6 lines.